Hey YouTube fam, blessed day to you. It's another day and I hope that where you are. It is Sunday of course, and it is a beautiful morning here at home in Jamaica where I am in Kingston City. It's overcast, very much overcast. The weather is really cool and calm and I am loving it. This is my type of weather. I'm not sweating, my body temperature is just like really minimal, I just regular. So I'm gonna be making some breakfast. I'm gonna be doing this breadfruit. My family look like them like it when it roasts and fry over. I really don't, but we have some more in that.
Yeah.
I have a few more like these, so I think I'm gonna do what my father used to do. I'm gonna try to scrape one. I'm gonna try and I'll let you know how it works out. So I've got here some liver in my sink and I'm about to make some liver and refried roasted breadfruit for breakfast. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. Hope you're making some breakfast and I hope that you're preparing for the cool weather ahead of time. I hope that everything is okay with the kids going back to school and all of that. Back to school shopping. Some kids are back to school in the US already, but others are not. Jamaica schools are not open as yet, but we're near there. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright family, let me season up liver. Everybody know if you season up them liver already. My butcher, I'm always cook it fully. Well honestly, you know, so your oil for hot, for cook liver. You all know that. So your oil for steak, liver or something where we cook for long and something. Yeah. And you know, we don't deal with the oil for water business, you know. So Jessie, liver after cooking a Jessie. See? That's how me cook my liver. So everybody do them things different. So. You see that? Alright, so now cover it down from the iron now. And that's it. So I have that. I go peel the brush here next. So I go take out my soy sauce. Now let's put a little soy sauce with it. Oh, it's done so fast. I'm not using now. And I go put the little balsam. I always put vinegar, but I don't see like I put some of the balsam. I always put like apple cider and regular white vinegar, but I put the balsam. I have an onion. I'm supposed to have a piece more. Onions are so expensive. So I'll catch you in the next clip, fam. Okay, I'm gonna check on my liver now. You see that? It's almost cooking up. You see it from the eye? And it looks like it's soft. You see this? Yeah, looks like it's soft. Even though I did the dark liver, I'm going to cut it up thin. It's soft, you know? You see? Put it in the hot oil and turn it to the first. Right, so let's turn down the stove a little bit. So I'm going to put in my soy sauce now. Color it up. Yes, so the soy sauce and the ketchup. And I did season with a little, but the soy sauce I done fast. I'm going to use it now. With a little paprika and then the ketchup here new. Put in some ketchup. I like enough ketchup in my liver. Right, help to make the gravy. Yeah. And now I'm gonna turn it up to the max. Go put in a little balsam vinegar. Give it a nice taste. Not too much in it, but like a little carful. Vinegar really enhances the flavor of liver. And look here, see? So what I gonna do now? You see that? Look at that. I'll show you that color here. See it just transform it. Look, see it? You see that liver there? You see the gravy? Let me turn it down. Wow, liver is really famous for making its own little gravy. It's a special. You see that, fam? Look at that. Look at this. Just the time them. I take out the time. So I'm slice up the onion them now. And I have it down to the lowest, you know. No water, so I taste. Always, I can't go wrong with the liver like this. Been doing this, but every Sunday morning we used to have liver. Every Sunday morning when we were younger people, religiously, liver and callaloo with either fried dumpling, bread or boiled bananas. You remember that? Yeah. Wow, those were the days in Smithy. Okay, so I'm just put in my onion rings. Put a little black pepper because I never seasoned it with no black pepper. So I'm gonna turn it off and the heat within there. We just make the onion rings just nice. Liver and the onions. Yeah, liver, whole heap of onion. Yep. So we're going to turn to the breadfruit. I'm not sure if I want my breadfruit forever because I am not a fan of this forever breadfruit. I don't know why. Alright. So Dad, I hope it alright and it no butter. If he said butter.
No, I don't think so.
Alright, it's when a breadfruit is properly. Even some people selling roast breadfruit and them have treat up your stress, them have push. You have one little part right here. So make sure you take a note of that, family. Right here, when you see a breadfruit look like that, it's, you know, you cut out this part. But this breadfruit is so soft. You see the nature?
Yeah.
This is a beautiful breadfruit. It's not coarsey. You know, some breadfruit them yellow but them coarse. Yeah, so you see it? Yeah. This was right here with this half on it. So right there, so it did have, I don't know, maybe it drop or something.
I did drop.
Yeah. So cut out the butter part, Paris. So see it here? And some people really, me realize that them not understand it. Them eat it, you know? And then them say it bitter. You smell it too. It have this faint, funny, smoky smell coming up to you. Yeah, so me a slice it. Because Daddy Marley slice them too big. But I don't want my one refried. You want yours refried, Dad? This is toast.
Yeah.
You want your one refried? No, me want my one just like this. Come in, family, and tell me how you love your breadfruit when you have a slice breadfruit like this. You see this? Not only yellow heart you must look on, you must look on the texture of the breadfruit. You see how nice it is? And it's not ripe. Look at it. You see it? Yeah. Because this is not... You could have stayed on the tree more, you know, because yellow heart them, but it not, you know? But the texture, man, the texture. Yeah, some breadfruit, you know, they yellow but embarky. You ever notice? Yeah?
Yeah.
So, may I do that. So we have some more in there. We're not going to eat all of this though. So we have put some in a bag. So I think that have about 3 or 4 more roast. So we're going to roast those. No, we're going to peel those later. Slice them and bag them, and if anybody, and not really anybody. Because me not going to send me, we're going to pick breadfruit, roast breadfruit, slice it up and freeze it in a bag for give anybody. You must be a special person to me, ain't that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And look, me special people and we're good to me. Where you know the real how them treat you good. We get a bag or 2. Not just anybody. You don't do these things for anybody. Sometimes you give to some of them and you're deadly enemy them. You give to. So, yeah. This is so nice. What do you think about that, Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is priceless. Family. This is priceless. Look how clean and they are and the texture. Yeah, I'm gonna do them something and get to it to anybody. Not just anybody. Not at all. Yeah. Really priceless. Oh, it's frying time. YouTube fam for the people in my want. I could have never enjoyed this. I prefer it like that. This pot is a mirror pot. It's a very beautiful pot. And I have it for about, maybe about 6 years now. Beautiful pot it is, see? You see, it's a non-stick mirror pot, but me not hear nobody I talk about them once. So again, mirror, they're beautiful pots. This is non-stick and I have it for years. I'm sure say the children then, me certain say they use metal something in it. Me sure of that, me know that. And it don't break, it don't crack, everything is intact. Those used to be some really nice pots. Used to be the cream of the crop brand back in the days, but things change now. Mirror, but if they are still around, family, you can invest in them mirror pots. That's how they want it. I honestly don't care for it this way. Yeah, really. Even though the time over here I start through the store, I get a little eating now. So breadfruit all finished. Family, me are the only had one in here. I think I'll take these. Maybe 2 slices of mine. This. With a slice of bread. I don't have no butter. Look here. Yeah, this is a finish. So I'm gonna make a plate for Dad. The kids will come make them plate. Let me make a plate for Dad and show them. Oh family, you see the liver? Look on the liver gravy. Look at the liver gravy. Yeah. No water no going on this, and I can tell you. At the first, me always try to stay away from the dark color liver them. Because they always tough, chewy. Onion extra cooked down in it, you know. You want to stay at home, I never dish it same time. So this is the liver. And I'm making a plate for Dad. And for myself. Look at the gravy, family. Look on the liver. Top jar. I love the liver too, you know. I love the liver bad. So I guess I should used to cook it so when them did smaller, eh? I make a plate for Dad for no pear in Dad. No avocado. Only when we get country, we get good avocado. You know, so my aunt heard that say, sis, yeah, say your hand heavy and you still a dish heavy. Dad. Breadfruit light, you know? Now your Dad drink him tea already. I make myself a plate now, fam. Okay, this is Dad's plate. Dad, show them your plate. Let me show them your plate, boy. Yeah, and I know say I gotta take a piece more breadfruit off camera because I don't want to look bad. Next clip, fam. Okay, now family, I am having my breakfast. You see, I take 2 slices of bread. Like I said, why breadfruit and bread? Yeah, I want the bread for eat with the liver. I don't really. Yeah, so I put some hot sauce. I'm never put much pepper. We should have taken bread pepper, Dad. Beg you 2 bread pepper now, please. So this is what I am having. 2 slices of bread. I not even cut them and them dry. I have the butter. Jerry just gonna buy some stuff and I'm gonna buy butter for me. So you see, that's what I'm eating. My breakfast. So God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. I'm having this I have some chocolate in this. But I did already drink a strong cup of ginger tea. We always have tea when we come out in the mornings, but bread pepper, lager, gee. We had this bread pepper. I'm not put no more than 2. You know, you're not easy. Wow, this liver is good. YouTube fam, it's good. That's why I'm take it in a look at this. Look at that. Let me show you. I can get my sandwich at Jamaica. Liver and bread. Wow. Right there. Wow. My. Parents is bringing me back to the good old days. I might end up not even eating all of the breadfruit, the 2 slices of breadfruit. Wow. Been a long time. One taste body I may get your family. A long time I not get that taste body. Wow. Wow. As I was saying, we always make tea early in the morning when we come out, me and Dad. First thing, drinking coffee. And then eat way down after. So that I can go indoors there, not true? Watch some TV and chill, not true? Hmm? I drink chocolate, but then something that tastes nice again. Come in farm, something them melon, over something. A long time me not eat no liver. God, with the bread, look at this farm. Wow. We chop right this up on the mat. Really steady. On my place, man. On my kitchen table. Look at that. You know about it too. If you're a real Jamaican, you know about it. This just one the color now. Indeed?
Yeah.
Not the bulky color, the red, puff color, the red.
No, sir.
But a piece of anchor, no, please. But the stick then coming like cane. I don't want the stick part, the stalk part. Nice long glass and natural orange juice would be good with this too. Yeah. No, I'm not feeling feverish here right now. You know.
It is nice.
Liver, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, me have my one, my one to fry over. Yeah, but the bread map up the gravy, so it just nice. Comment. See it here now with the breadfruit. Tell me which one you prefer. I showed you it with the bread, the liver gravy with the bread. I'm showing it to you now with the breadfruit. Tell me which one you prefer. It's nice with the breadfruit too, not the fry over one. Because of the nature of the breadfruit, very, very velvety. Breadfruit really velvety. Soft, even softer than the bread, better texture than the bread. That's the type of breadfruit me that work with this morning. This one's some chocolate tea, man. Color one chocolate tea. When you know I come look for me at St. Mary, make sure you come when breadfruit season on. Breadfruit. I want to and cabbage. I want none total for no liver. All these nice Jamaican food. Color long chocolate tea. You know when they be right there and pan it, it's well written. When me write my hand pan it up there, pan the wood fire with the smoke flavor in there. That's well written. But look here now, I'm gonna go finish this breakfast. Yeah. And just at the time I'm alive. Check back in with the next breakfast, see?